Let's make photo manipulation. Bring a glass in PNG and adjust it. Bring a seawater cut in PNG and adjust it with Wrap tool. Now click on Glass Mask and start brushing to remove some parts. Now take a mask on water and start brushing to remove some parts. Bring waterfall in PNG and adjust it. Now bring stone in PNG and adjust it. Now bring ship in PNG and adjust it. Put mask on ship and brush to remove some parts. Apply color balance and adjust values. Make many copies of stone and adjust it in different ways. Take new layer and start brushing below stone to give shadow. Apply gradient in radial and reverse it and adjust it. Take a new layer and start brushing with cloud brush in white. Bring a bird images in PNG and adjust it. Thank you for watching.